In this video, we're going to show you how to remove an old keypad deadbolt lock and put in a brand new one. All right, let's do it. All right, so this is what I've got to take off. I got my driver here. So we're just going to go ahead and unscrew it and then open up the door. And I think we're going to need to open the door anyway to do this. So I've got to unscrew it here, and then I can pull it all off of here. I may not have to change this, but we may, just in case. You can see how it's corroded here. And for some reason now it's not actuating when I do the numbers. It won't, it's just spinning. So that's my problem. So this, once it's locked from the inside, I go to do the code here, and then it doesn't open up, you know? So, like I'll show you, watch, I'm gonna do the code right now. Okay, now let's see what happens. I did the code, nothing happens. So, you know, what are you gonna do? So we're gonna go ahead and pop this baby off, put a new one on, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I've got my DeWalt, gotta put it in reverse. So on the left side, I push it in to get reverse on it. So now we'll just take these off. 1, 2, done. We got our 2. We'll set these down here. This will just come off of here, just like that. So, you know, and you can see the way that the attitude is on this. And I think that this battery's still good. So we may want to keep the battery, but we're going to go ahead and just set that down over here. Okay, so next what I've got to do is unscrew these 2 screws. But before I do that, I think I'm just going to pop this out, right? And I'm just going to pull this off of here, just like that. And it's been, shoot, hurt my nail. All right, so anyway, to see how the battery works, you've got the female and male. You got female and male there, and it just kind of squishes in there like that. That's how you get it on. And to get it off, you just pop it. So that's done, right? So now to get all this off here, we're still going to have to unhook this. All right, so look at this here, and you'll see that this is smushed in there. So I've got to kind of unplug it basically, just like that. So that because this has got to be fed through right here, through this area here. Right, so now we've got all that done, and all we got to do is take those 2 screws out. We're going to use our driver to do it. Okay, so these are kind of long ones because they go all the way through. So I got to kind of get a hold of them. You can see. Kind of. Oh, here we go. I think we can do it like that. There we go. So now we got them both off there. All right, so now we can pull them out. So this, we've got to kind of turn it and pop it through. And bam, there we go. But we'll just set it over here. Okay, so this, really, all I've got to do is just kind of, it should just pop out. It's kind of stuck with the paint. Let me see if I can pop it from this side. There we go. So anyway, that was stuck on there with the paint, right? So what I did was I just came on this side, over here, right here, and I kind of like hit it right here to pop it out, you see? And now it'll just slide right out of there. Bam, so we got it out. There it is, that's the old one, all right? So now, I mean, I could leave this in. I don't really need to take that out of there because all it is it's a bolt mechanism. This is the same thing right here, and that would go in just like this, and then I screw in these 2 screws. I mean, I guess I could just show you that. So let me go ahead, you pull back a little bit. Now I'll just go ahead and get these out of here, and we'll show you the whole process. All right, so these are short screws here, right? And so I can pull that out. You know, I can go ahead and just pop that out like this. I'm just kind of pushing it, right? And that will slide right out of there. So there, that's out. I mean, we didn't need to change this. I mean, we can leave this in there. I can just grab the new one. All right, and I'll show you. I mean, they're basically the exact same thing, right? Same, I mean, they look exactly the same. They haven't changed any of this. So I'll put the new one in anyway, just for you guys' sake. We'll put that in there, and then I'll get brand new screws. So the ones that we had in there looked a little bit, you know, they were a little bit oxidized. So we'll get fresh screws. We got brand new screws, And we're just going to go ahead and first we'll start them with our fingers just to get them started, you know, just like that. No big deal. There we go. Now we'll just go ahead and we'll screw them in. Got to remember to change it from reverse to forward, right? So here we are on forward. Bam. Bam. All right, so we're in. Bam, done. All right, first we're going to go on this side over here, okay? And I'm going to put this pad on. So it goes like this, right? And you can see this. I'm just going to turn it so it's this way. This I got to feed through there on top, right? So I got that through, and then I just set that right through there like that. And basically that just sits on there like that. And we're just going to leave that there for a second. Now, hopefully it doesn't fall. I'm going to hold on to it over here so it doesn't fall out. You follow me? See, it's kind of leaning. So be aware of that when you do this. All right, so now we've got it in there, right? All right, so anyway, I've got to get this down here like this so that I can get the screws in, okay? So I turned it down. I think it's not going to be a big deal, but we'll find out here when we set it on there. So I just got to get this through the hole, right? Just like that. See, it's going through this hole here, getting it through there. Then we got to get this crossed on there, and then we should be good. Okay, now we should be able to get our screws in. Let's go for one of them first. I'm just going to set it through there like that. Okay, we're good. And let's put the other one in. I'm going to put it right here. Follow me? We don't want to cross thread it, but I think we're good, right? Here's our little thingamabob here that we've got to put this into, right? So our next step is to put this together. So you just got to look at it first, right? All right, so you know that it's got to go like this. You got to get the pinholes matched up to here, like that. And then all you're going to do is just smush it together like that, okay? And then you got to kind of bend this stuff up a little bit, just like that, and kind of smush it in there. There we go. See how I got it on inside that? And then we're going to push this in like that. Right, because we want to get the wires kind of like out of the way. And now we got to put our battery on. Here's our new battery, brand new. And what we're going to do is we're just going to match it up, right? Match it up. You can hear some sounds as soon as I put it on. And then this has to go up in here. See how this has a little lip on it? So you got to kind of slide it in there. I think we're going to do it this way, like that, yeah. Right now I think we've got everything in there. That looks good, right? So, bam, that's done. Now we got to put our plate on. So here's our plate, and we have to match this part here up. So you can see this is on an angle, so I've got to kind of get this on the same angle that is. So that's like opposite this direction, but when I go this way, it mirrors it in, right? So now I'm going to just come in, set her on there, bam, I got it. And I just got to put our screws in. We got 2 screws right up here. One there. And let's go ahead and we'll screw that baby in. Okay, that one's in. Now we got to put this one in. Now we're ready. Right, that's it right there. We're in. Let's check it and see if it works. Right, so it definitely works, right? You can see the deadbolt coming out. So we're good, all right? So now we've got to program it because there's no program in it yet. So this is a new lock, so we've got to start from the beginning. We've got to get the special code and do that. All right, to program this, you're going to go on your paperwork and you're going to find this yellow tab. It's got a program code. The program code is has 6 numbers in it. So we've got to plug those 6 numbers into that, okay? And once we plug the 6 numbers in, we're going to wait for the Schlesinger, this part here, to do 3 orange lights or 3 beeps. So once we do that, then we're ready for the next thing. So we're going to go ahead and put the program code in, all right? And I'm going to blur this, and I think so that you guys don't see it. Now we should see 3 blinks, right? Then what we're going to do is we're going to press this. It should turn blue. Then we're going to wait for a couple seconds, and we're just going to press 1, and then we should see 3 more orange beeps. So we got our 3 orange beeps, and then we're going to enter our new code. Here you enter 4 numbers for your new code. And we're going to wait for those 3 orange beeps again, and then we're going to enter the new code again, and it should turn green. Enter those same 4 numbers again. Bam, green. Now it's working. All right, now we can go ahead and try it and see if it works. All right, we just locked it. All right, now let's try unlocking it. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Done. All right, we did it. That was a simple process, wasn't it? All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.